So in this video, I'm going to be giving y'all a quick breakdown of what's going on live with NQ. With this war that's going on, man, we're seeing some extreme momentum, liquidity inside of the market. I just want to base it on the war because that's the only thing that is making moves happen like this. I seen the daily candle was bearish yesterday and completely flipped and closed bullish in just the New York session. That's one session. The candles closed completely bullish, a daily candle after breaking the previous daily candle's low. And then today, as you're going to see from the breakdown, bro, it opened Asian session and shot up 700 points, completely almost filling a monthly candle gap. As of now, you're going to hear the breakdown, but as of now, it's like you don't really want to try to catch tops. You don't want to try to catch bottoms. You want to allow price to retrace and going within the trend. But I'm going to break all this down. I'm going to show y'all the chart. If you want more trading knowledge, if you want to really get the mindset of how to catch some of these trades, I could break this down even deeper. Join my community, DM me, q.dlon on Instagram, shoot me a text or something. I got you. This is crazy. This whole move is a fill of a monthly candle. This is the daily time frame. Very hard to predict this move up. I mean, this happened outside of even trading hours. This shit shot up 700 points today. Now, even this move, I was in this move yesterday. I was in this move yesterday. Price came down and I got out somewhere in here because I didn't expect the daily candle to flip and close all the way up here. That is like that's a crazy move. Now, you could have held a small position. I could have held a small runner on this move to go up. But yeah, hell no. This is a sick move. Let's scale down to the H4. Oh, let's scale down to the H1. Let's see. Yeah, so if you are looking to take buys, wait on a gap fill. Wait on some form of a retracement down. You trying to buy this back up at right now, that is kind of dumb. Like, just don't do that. If you're looking for sales, possibly if it breaks this level, you can catch something. But with all this bullish momentum, I wouldn't even. You can catch sales, it is possible. But trying to time tops and time bottoms, this could be a huge move up. And then this shit push up another 500 points. You never know with this war going on and stuff. So right now, just be patient. Allow price to come down. Fill this gap. Fill this and create another range up. And pretty much what I mean by that is all of these candles buying up broke each other's high. This broke this 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 high. Same on, same on. So for price to come down, you want to see the same thing. Price breaking high, lows. It broke this low. It broke this low. Keep breaking lows until we get down here. And now we want to see price break highs again. Break 1 hour candle highs. That's what I mean by ranges. So now you have a place to put your stop loss. You know, if you took this entry above this candle, stop loss below the candle, same thing. Well, this, you pretty much didn't have a trade after this candle. But once you break a candlestick high like here, you have a stop loss to here. It's pretty simple. But if you're waiting, you know, if you don't have that, you really don't have a range to trade or to take a solid position. You know, you don't have a place to where your risk management is always going to be off if you're not trading based on like the higher time frames and seeing, okay, what is price actually doing. So today is really going to be a super patient day because it's a lot of people right now being like, okay, it's exhausted, it's going to sell, and it could sell. And I wouldn't recommend if you're not real astute in the market, do not take sales. Do not take sales, and buys are over. I wouldn't touch a buy either. So just be patient. If you want to look at other pairs, do that. But yeah, just be patient today. That was just a little breakdown of one pair MNQ that I trade. But I also trade gold. I trade anything. The way that I trade and my strategy, I can look at any chart. I don't care if it's Bitcoin, crypto, whatever it is. Do different currencies move differently? Yes, but with the way that I trade, it's adaptable to almost every single market. So I definitely feel like I'm one of the best teachers out here with a very simple and easy strategy to learn and implement for beginner traders and also traders that have been struggling. A lot of my students right now are traders that have been trading for 7+ years or even 5 years, and they just usually need one or two little tweaks because they have an understanding of the market. But it's just is kind of like, what is the little thing that I'm doing wrong? And that's what I help traders with. So if you're interested in that, like I said, DM me. I don't know if you can DM on YouTube, but DM me on here or just comment trade on the YouTube video and we'll be in touch. Let's get it.